Welcome to Math Easy Peasy. In today's class, we shall be finding circumference of a circle. Now, what is a circumference? The circumference of a circle is the line that moves around the circle. The total distance around the circle is called the circumference of a circle. Now, in finding circumference of a circle, we have two formulas. We have two formulas to look for the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle can be derived by multiplying the pi by the diameter, or simply using the formula 2 pi r, where pi is 22/7 or 3.14. It's a constant. It's either 22/7 or 3.14. While the d is the diameter, as we said before in our former video. The diameter is a line that divides the circle into two equal parts. A line that divides the circle into two equal parts, that is the diameter. Then the radius is a line that moves from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference of the circle. A line that moves from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference of the circle is called the radius. So with this, we can actually find the circumference of a circle using two formulas. Let's go straight to finding the circumference of the circle. Since we are given the radius, the circumference of the circle will be derived using the formula 2 pi r, which is the same thing as 2 times the pi, which was given to us as 22/7, times the radius, which is 35/1. Now with this, we are good to go. 2 here, 1. 2 here is what? 5. So we have 22 times 22 times 5. Now, this will be very easy and peasy. 2 times 22 will give us 44 times the 5, which is simply 4 times 5, 20. Put down 0, carry 2. 4 times 5, 20, plus the 2, 220 centimeters. That is the circumference of the circle with radius 35 centimeters. Maths is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, peas are cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. Let's look at another question. Question number 2. We are asked to find the circumference of this circle, and diameter was given, and the diameter is 21 centimeters. We were given a pi at 3.14. With this, we move swiftly into action by solving. So circumference C will be equal to pi d. D stands for diameter because we are given diameter. So we'll go ahead to solve and write it out as 3.14 times 21 cm. 3.14 times 21 will be equal to 65.94 cm. That is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, peas are cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup.